What's Kendall Dolphins? It's Haywood here from Miami Heat. Just want to wish y'all good luck on y'all Super Bowl game today. Go get that dub. And I'm watching, I'm supporting, man. Keep going. Good luck today, West Kendall Dolphins.
That's a first. Good job. Hey, good job.
Hey, that's a first down. Way to get up, QB.
Yeah, that's why you don't trip out. That's why you don't trip out. Relax.
We beat this damn team last time, and we're gonna beat them again. You understand me?
Yeah, let's go!
You just changed this game. You changed that. How does it feel? Good job. Let's go.
Take 2 steps back!
Remember, it's a long game. Come on. Yeah, I'm going to coach you hard every time, dog. You cannot shy away from it because you're great. Accept the greatness, all right? Love you, dog.
Hey, we didn't come here just to be here, brother. We came here to win this.